Now we're going to learn how to read call numbers. So, most academic libraries use a Library of Congress classification system. This was created to organize the Library of Congress. Most classification systems use call numbers. But what is a call number? It's the unique combination of letters and numbers, or just numbers, that indicate the position of the book on the shelf. A really good example is that it's like an address for a book. So the Library of Congress has main classifications, and according to what letter in the alphabet your subject falls under, you're able to find things in that subject. So when you look at a call number, how do you know where it's located? So you'll read the call numbers line by line. You'll read the first line in alphabetical order, so LB. That will be located in L. And then you read the second line as a whole number, so this would be 2,395. The third line is a combination of a letter and numbers. You read the letter alphabetically and the number as a decimal. The last line is the year the book was published. Sometimes that's not always included. Here are some references. I'll also upload these slides, so you can go and look at these resources for yourself if you have some more questions.